ZWCAD 2026 1.1 has reconstructed the IFC function, significantly improving input efficiency and display accuracy. It is seamlessly compatible with data from mainstream BIM design software, bringing you a brand new design experience. Multiple scenarios of BIM requirements can be realized in ZWCAD. Break down the data barriers between multiple software. Import road and bridge models into ZWCAD to quickly complete. Greening design. There is no need for complex modeling. Use simple non-standard components in ZWCAD to complete positioning and layout, leaving 90% of the time for creativity. Endow components with key attributes to customize project information and replace high-precision modeling with standardized attribute transmission so as to realize the real transmission of engineering data value. Natively supports the export of IFC 2x3 and IFC 4x standards, ensuring lossless transmission of models throughout the entire lifecycle, providing unlimited possibilities for cross-platform collaboration and redefining your BIM workflow. When designers import IFC files, they can quickly complete component classification, focus on the target model, and improve design efficiency. Retain the original upstream model and clarify the boundary of design responsibilities. Deeply extract the geometric and attribute data of IFC components, build a bridge between design and construction, and seamlessly connect with engineering quantity calculation. ZWCAD enables data to cross the gap between upstream and downstream software and reach the end of value. Download ZWCAD now to experience it.